In this video, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know on how to join and participate in airdrops and also get airdrop rewards every day on Bybit. Now, if you can remember one of my previous videos about a week ago, I made a video talking about how to trade crypto and make money on the Bybit Web3. And in that video, I explained that you can make money with spot trading through Web3 and also I can start making passive income with your crypto on Bybit Web3. And in that video, I asked you guys if you want me to show you I can start getting airdrop rewards every day through Bybit Web3, and a lot of you said you're interested, so that is why I am making this video. So please watch this video to the end because there are some important things I'll be talking about and I don't want you to miss any important information. So please like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and let's get right into it. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, I'm on the home page of the Bybit platform, and if you want to go to this page where you can get airdrops every day, come here to where you have more at the top. So you can see where you have more right there. Then come here to where you have wallet. Now click on it. Now, once you click on it, it brings you to this page where you can see your gateway to Web3, connect wallet, and then you see some things. And then if you come down to this point, you see where you have airdrop, get Web3 rewards every day, participate in airdrop events to earn exciting rewards. So you participate in different airdrop events every day and you get exciting rewards. And beside it, you have earn, where you can get up to 30% APY and stake assets for yield with just one click. So I talked about this in my previous video. Just check the link in the description below and check it out. In that video, I talked about how you can get 30+% APY on your crypto when you invest on the Bybit Web3 platform. So I talked about that. Don't forget to check it. The link to that video will be in the description below. But this video is basically to focus on airdrops. So if you want to go ahead and participate in these airdrops, just click on this right here. And then it will bring you to this page. So you can see it here, airdrop arcade, Web3 rewards every day. Now you can see right here, it says ended. So it's showing you some of the airdrop events that just ended. So you can see right here, for this first one, they gave out 50 free mint whitelist. So the airdrop was Chilonic airdrop, and then you could win up to 50 free mint whitelist spot right there. So they are giving you 50 free mint of this coin if you participate in this airdrop. So you can see this airdrop ended in May of 2025, and you can see the number of people who joined it. That's about 1,812 participants, and you can see it was just one task. So they just asked them to perform just one task for this. And then you can see the next one right here. They gave out $200,000 worth of points. So they gave out $200,000 worth of points to different people. And you can see you are sharing in $200,000 worth of airdrops. This one too ended in May of 2025. I can see over 3 million people participated in this. This is about 3,770,000 participants. And it was just 8 tasks for you to do for this one. So if I keep scrolling to the right, let's check the next one. This is Soso Value Mega 7 airdrop. For this one, they gave out 13,960 Max 7 SSI token. So for this one, just create your Bybit wallet to win airdrops. This one is simple and straightforward. Just create a Bybit wallet and you win the airdrop. I can see this one also ended in May of 2025. I can see about 35,000 people participated in this one and it was just one task. So you can see the tasks are simple and straightforward. They are not anything that is too hard for you. If you check the next one right here, this one is 200,000 ETHIX. And for this one, they are giving out 200,000 of this token, which is ETHIX. That's the token. So you can see for this one, about 770,000 people participated in this, and this one is just one task. So I can keep going on and on to show you the ones that have ended, so that I can see that these are real airdrops where people are actually participating and winning something. And if you scroll down again, you also see more of the ones that have ended. You can see daily rewards right here. So you can see all of these ones are different airdrops. So you can see this one is 200,000 AVL. So they are giving out 200,000 AVL token for this airdrop. For this one, they gave out 140,000 pros airdrop. So for this one, they gave out 4 million damn tokens to people right here. And if you scroll down, you see the other tokens they gave out and the amount of tokens they gave out to the participants right there. Now, all of these events have been ended, so they are no longer open. And while I was doing research for this video, I saw that there was no open airdrop event right now at the time of making this video. So I decided to ask some of the people I know from Bybit, and they made me to understand that they are currently not doing any airdrop right now. They always put it on the platform in mass. So for example, maybe in the next 2 or 3 months, month, whenever they have new airdrops, they bring them here. They have them a lot. So they can have like 10 airdrops, 20 airdrop events that will come on right here. So it happens from time to time. So for example, if they bring in any airdrop, it can be there for 2 months, 3 months, 5 months. For example, if you look at this one right here, it was here for like 1 to 2 months. For this one, so it was here for about 1 month right here. So you can see they always leave their airdrops for about 1 month to 2 months, according to what I was told. And that's exactly what is here. For most of these airdrops right here, they were left for 1 month to 2 months. And after those ones are over, they wait for another 2 to 3 months before they bring in new batch. So that's exactly what is happening right now. So for now, they don't have any open airdrops until you come the next 2 or 3 months and come back to check for new airdrops. And when you come back the next 2 or 3 months, they have so many airdrops for the users on Bybit Web3, according to what I was told by someone from Bybit. But I'm not just going to leave you guys like that. I still have another way you can earn airdrop right now without waiting for the next 2 or 3 months. So this one is just to show you that you can earn airdrops on the Bybit Web3, which is exactly what I promised you guys in my previous video. I just later got to realize that they don't have any open airdrop. And like I said, I made my research and asked questions, and they'll be having more airdrop events on this page in the next few months to come, in 2 to 3 months. So you can actually come back here in 2 to 3 months and you have different airdrops to join and earn rewards every day. Now, which one is the one I said you can start earning airdrops right now without waiting for the next 2 to 3 months? Now, for that, you come here to the home page. So let me come back to the home page. Now, if you come to this home page right here, you can see that there are some things that are currently going on right here. You can see maximize your savings with 0 fees and so on. MNT, your fast pass to the top. Don't forget to check in today and so on. Now, if I scroll to the right, now you can see you have Wednesday airdrop, Apex exclusive. Now, what does this mean? Now, this is an airdrop Bybit is doing every week, and it starts on every Wednesday. So it starts every Wednesday, and that's why it is called Wednesday airdrop. I can earn airdrop from this every day. Now, let me show you how. So I'll click on this Wednesday airdrop right here. Now, you can do this on your mobile phone or your laptop. I'm currently using the browser, so I will show you on the browser. You can do it on the mobile phone. And if you want me to show you how you can do it on the mobile phone, please continue watching. I will still show you how you can do it on the mobile phone. It is simple and straightforward. So you just come right here and click on this Wednesday airdrop. Now, once you click on it, it will bring you to this page. So you can see right here, Wednesday airdrop, duration, October 1 to October 7th. So this one right here, it started on October 1st, which was Wednesday, and then it will last till the following Tuesday. So it starts on a Wednesday and ends on a Tuesday. So they start on that one the next Wednesday, and then it ends the following Tuesday. So it's basically an airdrop that starts every Wednesday and ends on a Tuesday. I hope you understand. So they are doing it every day, and that's why I said you can start earning from this every day without waiting for the next 2 to 3 months. So this one right now, we end on the 7th of October, and another one will start on the 8th of October. So you can always meet an airdrop right here when you come every day. Now, for this one, how do you participate in it and how do you earn your rewards? Now, to earn your rewards, you need to do some tasks. There are some tasks that you need to do. Now, if I go ahead and show you those tasks, let me show you the things you can actually win from this airdrop. Now, if you come here, there are 3 different categories. You can see you have basic, you have advanced, and then you have premium. Now, let's start with basic. Now, for this basic, anybody can participate in it. Anybody can participate in this one right now. And for this one, these are the rewards you can win. So you can see these rewards are going to the left and right. These are the rewards you can earn. So you can see you can earn 1 Apex coin. You can earn 2 Apex coin. You can earn 3 Apex coin. You can earn 1 USDT. You can earn 0.5 Apex coin. So these are the different rewards you can get under basic. And just in case you are wondering, 1 Apex coin is about $2 to $3 right now. It's between $2 to $3. So if you are earning, like, let's say this 3 Apex coin, that's about $6 for you. If you are earning 1 USDT, that's $1. If you are earning 0.5 Apex, that's about $1 to $2. If you are earning 1 Apex right here, this is between $2 to $3 for you. If you're earning 2 Apex coin, that's between $4 to about, I think, $6 or so. So you can see that you are earning rewards from all of this. So even though it might be little, but you're actually earning free rewards for yourself every day. And like I said, you can do this every day. So that's for basic, and these are the rewards you can earn. And like I said, anybody can participate in this one. Now, if you come under advanced, now for advanced, for this one, you must have a minimum trading volume of $30,000 during this event period before you can join this. So this event period is this date. So this date right here, between 1st of October to 7th of October, you must have a trading volume of $30,000. That's the meaning. So once you have a trading volume of $30,000, you can participate in this one of advanced. And for this one, these are the rewards. So you can see you have 2 Apex coin, 3 Apex coin, 4 Apex coin, 5 Apex coin, and you have 3 USDT. And don't forget, I said 1 Apex coin is between $2 to $3 right now. And if you're earning like 3 Apex coin, that's like $6 to like $9 or thereabout. If you're earning 5 Apex coin, that's like $10 to about $15 right there. So you can see that you are earning free tokens for yourself right there. So that is under advanced. Now, if you come under premium right here, for this one, you must have a trading volume of $500,000 during the event period. Don't forget, this is the whatever date you see at the top, that's the event period. So within that period, you must have this amount of trading volume. Now, for this one, you can earn up to 799 USDT. You can see it right there, 5 USDT, 3 Apex coin, 6 Apex coin, 8 Apex coin, 15 Apex coin. We have 799 USDT again right there. That's about $800. So you can see that you can earn a lot from this. So these are free tokens or free USDT coins for yourself right here. So you've seen everything you can be able to earn. So even if you don't have this $500,000 trading volume or this $30,000 trading volume, this one under basic, you can go ahead and participate in this one straight away. So now that you know the rewards you're going to be getting, how do you now know the tasks you need to perform? So let's scroll up. So you can see right here, these are the tasks that you need to perform to earn some of these rewards right here. Now, the first one says trade Apex spot greater than or equal to $2,000. So this means that you must trade Apex coin with at least $2,000. So go to the spot trading page, trade Apex coin with at least $2,000. It doesn't have to be once. So you can trade $500 at first, maybe another $400, another maybe $800. What they are saying is that everything must be $2,000. That's just the meaning. So you must trade Apex coin of at least $2,000. That's the first task right there. So once you do that first task, you have a one chance draw. So that one chance draw is what you can now use to earn any of these coins right here or any of these tokens right here. So once you have that one chance draw, that means you come here and take the draw and you get any of these tokens right here. Let me go back. So you can see this next one right here. To get another one chance draw, you must trade Apex coin on spot trading with at least $10,000. So for this one, if you do it more than $10,000, you get one chance draw. Now the next one is that you trade Apex on the derivatives page, which is the futures trading page, with at least $6,000 trading volume. So that means that you have a trading volume of $6,000 for Apex. So this is that you go on the futures trading page and trade Apex. You can trade maybe $1,000 first, $2,000. This is trading volume. Don't forget, trading volume, you are using leverage. Trading volume doesn't mean that you must have $6,000 capital. No. If you are using leverage, for example, if I'm using, let's say, 10x leverage, that means that I only have to use $600 capital. That's the meaning. So because this $6,000 now, some of you might be thinking that, oh, where will I see $6,000 capital from? No, that's not the meaning. If it's under derivatives and you're using like 10x leverage, for this one, you only need $600. Don't forget, this trading volume is your capital multiplied by your leverage. So if you're using like, let's say 20x leverage, that means you only need $300 capital right there. So $300 capital with 20x leverage, you are getting $6,000 trading volume. I hope you understand the idea now. So don't think that, oh, you have to have $6,000 capital. No. So for this next one here, trade Apex derivatives of at least $20,000. So this one right here, if you're using 10x leverage, that means that you only need $2,000 capital for this. I hope you get the idea now. So don't go and be thinking that maybe you must have $20,000 capital. No, that's not the meaning. For futures trading or derivatives, just divide this by your leverage, by the leverage you want to use, and that's the capital you need. So for this $20,000 now, if you're using, let's say, 20x leverage, that means that you only need $1,000 capital. That's just the meaning. And once you do that, you get your $20,000 trading volume. And then if you scroll up again, you can see another one is margin trading volume of $200. So for this one, they are telling you that you must do margin trading with at least $200. So once you do margin trading with at least $200, you get another chance to get rewards. And then next one is where you have first discount buy volume of $100. So this means that once you buy a coin with at least $100, that means you get another chance right there. So these are the different tasks you need to complete. You can see that they are simple and straightforward. I feel like you can be able to do most of these ones right here. Maybe except if you don't have up to $2,000, you may not be able to do this. But like I said, you don't have to do it once. You can just do it one, maybe $500 first, maybe $200 first, maybe $100 first. It doesn't have to be at once. I hope you understand. So once you've completed any of these tasks right here, you see the number of draws around here. So no task has been completed. So once you complete a task, you will see the number of chances you have right here. So it's still 0 right here. But once you start completing your task, it will start showing you the number of chances you have. And then once you have your chances right there, you can go ahead and get any of these rewards. You can see this reward right here. You can get any of these rewards right here. It is simple and straightforward. So like I said, you don't have to wait for the next 2 or 3 months for this one. You can start earning rewards from this today. I hope you understand. Now, for those of you that might want to be using your mobile phone for this, I'll go ahead to my mobile app, my Bybit app, and show you how you can go ahead to this Wednesday airdrop on your mobile app. Now, let's get into that. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, I'm on the home page of the Bybit app. Now, to go ahead and do this Wednesday airdrop on your Bybit app, you come here to where you have this more. So you can see you have more right here on the screen. Just click on it. And then it brings you to this page. Now, on this page, you have recommended, you have buy crypto, trade, spot X, finance, event, and so on. So you come here to where you have event and you click on event. Now, under events, you have different things that you can click on and do. And then if you come here, you can see you have Wednesday airdrop. You can see it above this. You can see Wednesday airdrop. So you click on it. And then right here on this page is the Wednesday airdrop page on the Bybit app. And you can see everything I just explained to you through the browser is the same thing on the mobile app. So you can see you have 3 different categories. You have basic, you have advanced, and you have premium right there. But like I said, you can start with the basic one today. You don't have to wait till when you have a particular trading volume before you go ahead and start earning from this. So just go ahead with the basic one and do all of those tasks I've just talked about. And if you scroll up, you can see these are the same tasks. They are the same thing, whether you're using your mobile app or your browser right there. Now, another thing I want to talk about is you can see where you have these terms and conditions. So you can see terms and conditions right here. Please, I will advise that you go through it and read through the terms and conditions. If I say I should go through it right now, honestly, it will make the video too long. And I know the video is already long enough. So please take your time to go through the terms and conditions right there. They are not anything difficult at all. They are not anything difficult. You can just go through it to be able to understand more about this Wednesday airdrop that you can start earning rewards every day. I hope you understand. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And if there's any particular video you want me to make or anything you want me to talk about on Bybit or any other exchange, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.